Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the FitCoach fitness app. In this FitCoach fitness app review, I'll delve into my usage experience and provide an honest assessment of its features and how it functions. For your convenience, links to the app and other relevant resources are in the description. Let's jump right in. FitCoach is designed to benefit anyone striving to enhance their fitness, regardless of their starting point. Whether you're a complete beginner taking those first steps or a seasoned fitness enthusiast seeking structured workout routines and planning, FitCoach has something to offer. A particularly impressive feature is the app's personalized fitness plans. Upon initial sign-up, you'll be guided through a brief questionnaire that gathers information about your fitness goals, current fitness level, and personal preferences. Using this information, the app generates a customized workout and nutrition plan precisely tailored to your individual needs. This degree of personalization gives you the feeling of having a personal trainer right in your pocket. The app boasts an extensive workout library filled with exercises catering to all fitness levels. Each workout includes clear video demonstrations and easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions, making them especially beneficial for those new to exercise. FitCoach provides a good balance of bodyweight exercises, strength training routines, and cardio options, allowing you to adapt your workouts to any environment, whether you're at home or at the gym. Furthermore, the app diligently tracks your progress, logging completed workouts, calories burned, and even improvements in key metrics such as strength and endurance. On the nutrition front, FitCoach provides meal plans and recipes crafted to complement your fitness objectives. The recipes are simple to follow, emphasizing balanced, healthy eating. The app even generates convenient shopping lists to streamline your grocery shopping. Another commendable feature is the daily activity tracker, which seamlessly syncs with your phone or wearable device to monitor your steps and calories burned throughout the day. This comprehensive approach encourages you to maintain an active lifestyle even beyond your structured workouts. Overall, FitCoach is a well-rounded and comprehensive fitness app suitable for anyone committed to their fitness journey. Its user-friendly interface, personalized plans, and comprehensive features make it a valuable tool for maintaining consistency and staying motivated. If you're considering a fitness app to help you achieve your goals, FitCoach is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description to learn more or get started today.